Hi, in this video I will show you how to change your Binance future referral code to a custom-made referral code. So all you have to do is click on the future section and then locate the three dots here. After you have clicked on the future section, locate the three dots, then click on it. You will look for the N bonus. Click on N bonus and then scroll down. Click on invite now. Then from here you can now change your referral link. All you have to do is click on the customize code. So once you click on customize code, you will enter your custom on top. So that is how to change your referral code, and then you click on confirm. As simple as that. So then you go back. Let's see how it works. We go back. I have an open order for this class. Click on this place. You have to have a position that is ongoing before you can copy your referral code. It's very easy. So when you get to this place, click on an arrow that looks like a share out icon. So once you click on it, you will see one tab. As simple as that. You can save and share out to your Telegram groups. As simple as that. I hope you got the tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you find this content very useful and informative, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.